Welcome everyone to our Algebra series. The topic at hand today will be taken from our SSCE syllabus and we proceed from the very first beginning. Algebra is the aspect of mathematics that involve both letters and numbers or letters only. Let us consider some examples below. A, 2 plus 3 minus square root of 16 into bracket open 5 plus 4 bracket close. B, 9 square plus 26 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 20. C, y plus 1. D, x plus y equals to 2. E, s square plus 3s plus 4. F, s square minus y square. The expressions A and B are in numerical terms only. Hence, they cannot be called algebra. Whereas C to F are algebraic expressions. The process of solving mathematical problems involving algebraic expression is called algebraic process. Now let's start with a simple linear equation. Simple linear equations are expressions whose highest degree of unknown is 1. Here, we shall concern ourselves with linear equations in one variable. Example, solve for s in the equation 5 into bracket open s minus 7 bracket close minus 7s equals to minus 3 into bracket open 4s minus 5 bracket close. The options are given. Solution. We write out our problem, which is 5 into bracket open x minus 7 bracket close minus 7s equals to minus 3 into bracket open 4s minus 5 bracket close. Opening brackets, we now have 5x minus 35 minus 7s will be equals to minus 12x plus 15. Next, we collect like terms together. We now have 5s minus 7s plus 12s equals to 15 plus 35. That will give us 10s equals to 50. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 10. That x will be equals to 50 divided by 10, which is equals to 5. Another example. Simplify 3s divided by 5 plus 2s divided by 15 equals to 3 divided by 5. The options are given. Solution. First, we write out our problem properly, which is 3x divided by 5 plus 2x divided by 15 equals to 3 divided by 5. Next, we multiply through by the LCM of the denominators, which is 5 and 15, and that is 15. When the result will be 3 into bracket open 3s bracket close plus 2s equals to 3 times 3. That is bracket open and close there. What we have just done, once you multiply through by the LCM 15, 5 will now be able to reduce 15 to 3, and that 3 is what you have there in front of the bracket. And the case of the second item there, when 15 divide 15, you have 1. So that's why you have 2s there. When 5 divide 15, you have 3. So multiply by the 3 there. It's just simple thing we have done right from our just aspect of this pattern of work. Our result, when we open up the bracket, we now have 9s plus 2s equals to 9. And that will be 11s equals to 9. From here, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 11, and we say x is equals to 9 divided by 11. We take another example. Find the value of t for which 1 over 3 of t plus 5 is equals to 1 over 4 of 5t minus 2. The options are given. Solution. First, we write out our problem, which is 1 over 3 into bracket open t plus 5 bracket close equals to 1 over 4 into 5t minus 2 bracket close. Next, we multiply through by 12, which is the LCM of 3 and 4 of the denominator. And that will give us 4 into bracket open t plus 5 bracket close equals to 3 into 5t minus 2 bracket close. What we have just done is that the LCM, the item in the denominator, which is 3, we divide the LCM, which is 12. 3 divide 12, you'll be left with 4. So 4 multiply the item in the bracket in the left-hand side. When you go to the right-hand side, similarly, 4 divide 12, you have 3. And 3 now multiply the items in the bracket. So opening up the bracket, you have 4t plus 20 will be equals to 15t minus 6. Next, we collect items together and we have 20 plus 6 will be equals to 15t minus 40. And that will give us 26 equals to 11t. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 11. So we can now say t is equal to 26 divided by 11. And that will give us two whole number, 4 over 11. Another example. Solve the equation 3b divided by 9 plus 1 over 2 is equals to 3 divided by 4 plus b over 4. And the options are given. Solution. First, we write out our problem. And next, we collect like terms together. And we have 3b divided by 9 minus b divided by 4 will be equals to 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Multiplying through by the LCM of 9, 4, and 2, that is 36. Our result will be 4 into bracket open 3b, bracket close, minus 9 into b will be equals to 9 into 3 minus 18 into 1. What we have just done is that once the denominator divides the LCM 36, 9 divide 36 will give you 4. When 4 divide 36 will give you 9. So that's why 4, in the first case, 4 multiply the 3b. The second case, 9 multiply the b. And when you go to the right hand side, when 4 divide 36, you have 9. That's why you have 9 times the 3 there. And in the second case, when you have 2 divide 36, we give you 18 times the 1 that is there. And when we open up the given bracket, we now have 12b minus 9b will be equals to 27 minus 18. And our result will be 3b equals to 9. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is 3. Then we now say b is equals to 9 divided by 3. And that will give us 3. Another example. Solve the equation 3 divided by 2 into x minus 2, bracket open and close, minus 2 divided by 3 into bracket open 2 minus s, bracket close, equals to 0. The options are given. Solution. First, we write out our problem. Then next, we separate the terms. Take the one that has minus sign to the right hand side. And that will give us 3 divided by 2 into x minus 2, bracket close, will be equals to 2 divided by 3 into 2 minus s, bracket open and close. From here, we can cross multiply. Cross multiplying, we have 9 into 2 minus s, bracket open and close, will be equals to 4 into x minus 2, bracket open and close. While we have 4, there is a 2 multiply the other 2. There is 2 before this bracket, then there are 2 at the numerator there. So the 2 times 2 became 4. And now multiply the bracket x minus 2. Opening up the bracket, we now have 18 minus 9s will be equals to 4s minus 8. And the result will be 18 plus 8 will be equals to 4s plus 9s. And we have 26 will be equals to 13x. From here, we make s the subject formula, and that will be equals to 26 divided by 13, which is 2. Another example. If p is equals to half, and p divided by p minus 1 is equals to 2 divided by p plus x, find the value of x. And 1 over p minus 1 will be equals to 2 divided by p plus x, find the value of x. The options are given. Solution. First, we present our given problem, which is 1 over p minus 1 equals to 2 over p plus x. Substituting for p equals to 1 over 2, the result will be 1 divided by half minus 1 will be equals to 2 divided by half plus x. Cross multiply, we now have half plus x will be equals to 2 into minus half. How did we have this result? 1 divided by, in the left hand side, 1 divided by half minus 1 will give you minus half at the denominator there. So hence we have our multiplication 2 times minus half on the right hand side. As for the left hand side, 1 is already at the denominator, so we just multiplied what we have at the denominator in the right hand side. Our simple result will be half plus x will be equals to minus 1. Because once you use 2 to multiply minus half, your result will be at the right hand side will be minus 1. So next we make s the subject formula. S will be equals to minus 1 minus half. And the result is equals to minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. Another example. If 3 divided by 2p minus half is equals to 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 4 of p plus 1, find p. Solution. First, we resolve the fraction inside fraction. Our given problem, which is 3 divided by 2p minus 1 over 2, will be equals to 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 4p plus 1, become 3 divided by 4p minus 1 divided by 2. So 3 is at the denominator, which is 2p minus 1 over 2. When you take the simple fraction arithmetic operation there, that is why you now have 2 multiplying 2p will become 4p minus 1 at the denominator there divided by 2 will be equals to, at the right hand side, 1 over 3, which is there before, divided by 4. 1 over 4p there, the 4 will multiply 1, and that will be 4, plus p, then divided by the denominator, which is 4. That's a simple fractional operation that took place there. And you all know, we're representing it in division sign so that we can get a clarity. That will be 3 divided by 4p minus 1 divided by 2 will be equals to 1 over 3 divided by p plus 4 divided by 4. Next, changing from division to multiplication, we now have 3 times 2 divided by 4p minus 1. When you're changing from division to multiplication, it's just to invert. Numerator become denominator. Will be equals to 1 over 3 times 4 divided by p plus 4. Changing division to multiplication, we now have 3 times 2 divided by 4p minus 1 will be equals to 1 over 3 times 4 divided by p plus 4. Now, our result, we can now multiply freely. Our result will be 6 divided by 4p minus 1 will be equals to 4 divided by 3 into bracket open p plus 4 bracket close. We can now proceed to cross multiply in order to clear fraction. So we have 6 times 3 into bracket open p plus 4 bracket close will be equals to 4 into bracket open 4p minus 1 bracket close. When we open up the bracket, we have 18p plus 72 will be equals to 16p minus 4. Next, first of all, we collect like terms together. We have 18p minus 16p will be equals to minus 72 minus 4. And that will give us 2p will be equals to minus 76. P will be equals to minus 76 divided by 2, which is minus 38. Another example. Solve the equation 4s minus 1 divided by 3 minus 3s minus 1 divided by 2 will be equals to 5 minus 2s divided by 4. Solution. First of all, we bring out our problem, which is 4x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 3s minus 1 divided by 2 equals to 5 minus 2s divided by 4. Next, we multiply through by the LCM of the denominator, which is 3, 2, and 4. That is 12. And that will give us 4 into bracket open 4s minus 1 bracket close minus 6 into bracket open 3s minus 1 bracket close equals to 3 into 5 minus 2s bracket close. We have just multiplied through by the LCM, and when 12 multiply the first item 4s minus 1 divided by 3, 3 will now divide 12 and be left with 4 to multiply the item in the bracket. The second item there, 2 divide 12, we will be given 6 to multiply the items that are the numerator there, 3s minus 1. And don't forget to put your minus there represented before the 6, which is equal to, when you go to the right hand side, 4 divide 12, we'll be left with 3, and 3 multiply the items. And we use bracket to hold it together so that there will be interference, undue interference. Opening up the bracket, you have result 16s minus 4 minus 18x plus 6 will be equals to 15 minus 6s. Collect like terms together. We have 16x minus 18s plus 6s will be equals to 15 plus 4 minus 6. That will give us 4x equals to 13. S will be equals to 13 divided by 4, which is 3 whole number, 1 over 4. Another example. If 3y minus 4s divided by 4y minus 3s is equals to 5. Evaluate x divided by y. The options are given. Solution. First, we write out our problem, which is 3y minus 4s divided by 4y minus 3s equals to 5. Why we label this problem a special case is that we are not asked to find x or y. We are told to find x divided by y. So you look at how pattern we are following. Next, we cross multiply. We have 3y minus 4s will be equals to 5 into 4y minus 3s, bracket open and close. Next, we open up the bracket. At the right hand side, we have 3y minus 4s will be equals to 20y minus 15x. Then we now collect like terms together. The x will go together, the y will go together. So we have 15x minus 4x will be equals to 20y minus 3y. And the result will be 11x equals to 17y. Then dividing through by y, since the solution we are looking at is x divided by y. So divided through by y, we have 11x divided by y will be equals to 17. Before we can now divide through by 11. So x over y will be equals to 17 divided by 11. We've come to the end of the examples under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises, which I will advise strongly you try your hands on them. The answers to the exercises are given at the answer section of the book, Hidden Facts, New SSCE Mathematics. The exercises are at page 32, and the examples we have taken so far from page 28 up to page 31. Thank you.